But right now, it's important to understand that once your channel is monetized, we need to see why are some channels making more money per 1,000 views than other channels. Every single video that's eligible for advertisements goes through the same exact process. First and foremost, we have the advertiser. This could be Apple, Microsoft, or literally any company out there. And those companies have a budget that they allocate towards spending on YouTube ads. And the reason they do this is to make a profit. I know this might sound basic, but it's important to understand this. So how do they do this? They dump their money into channels that have an audience that will be interested in their product or service. Let's play a game here for a second. Which channel would Apple be more likely to spend their advertising budget on? This channel that produces scary videos for people who enjoy horror stories? Or this channel that produces videos about the latest technological trends? If you chose the second channel, you're on the right track. And you should have no problem at all following along with what I'm going to reveal the 5 best niches to be. We know the how, we know the why, now we just need to know the what. We got personal finance with channels like Chris Invests right here, which is a completely faceless YouTube channel, and they make whiteboard videos which can easily be made with AI whiteboard software like VideoScribe. We got Make Money Online channels like the channel you're watching right now, Make Money Matt, and I can tell you from experience that channels within the Make Money Online niche can make upwards of $30 per 1,000 views. I know it sounds crazy, but they can. We got the health niche with channels like Body Hub right here, which produces faceless videos which could easily be put together using stock footage from places like Storyblocks and edited together with a free program like CapCut. We got the technology niche with channels like TechZone, which is a completely faceless YouTube channel that gets tons of views. And we got the travel niche with channels like Scary Harry right here. They simply produce videos about the best places to live on a certain amounts of money, and since they talk about money, they're also going to benefit from those money keywords, which will drive up their CPMs even more. Now, as promised, I'm going to reveal to you how I make over $200 per 1,000 views, which sounds unbelievable because earlier in this video I told you that most channels on YouTube only make between $1 and $30 per 1,000 views. How in the world could you make over 200? Let me explain. I do this using a specific secret that I like to call the DPM. You might be asking, Matt, what in the world is the DPM? Well, it's the digital product method. I sell a digital product, which is my online course, Tube Mastery and Monetization, from this channel that you're watching right here. And I teach a private community exactly how you can potentially make 6 figures with YouTube automation and faceless channels. I advertise this digital platform in the link in the description in every single one of my YouTube videos, as well as posting consistently about it in my community tab. Tube Mastery took me over a decade to put together, considering it includes everything that I've learned throughout my past decade on YouTube.